Good afternoon, this is Andrew from Dockhand. I'm going to go through now images in Adobe MUSE and the Facebook preview widget to help you get these correct. Okay, first of all I've got a blank web page. I've already got my widget on there. It's just showing no information at the moment. And now we're going to drop some pictures in. I've got some already made up for us. Okay. Got a nice large one here, 600 that we're going to shrink down, so he's obviously small, and here we go, nicely laid out. Right, listed in the assets we have all our 4 pictures. Okay, nice done. Let's preview the site quickly, preview the page in browser. Okay, there's all the images there. Now let's have a look and see what we can do with our Facebook preview. Bit of space. Now on the right hand side here we've got the list of all the images that we can work with. Okay, so we're going to start off with a 200 by 200 picture. Dockhand IMG 200 x 200a.png. Tab off. You notice that we've got no online image at the moment, but we've got a local image. It's 200 mini. It's square, and we found it. Okay, that's perfect. No worries. Okay, let's move on to the next image, which is 286 150a.png. Okay, now look over on the left here. In actual fact, there is no local image found with a PNG extension, but we've actually found a JPEG version instead. It's 286 by 150, so it's still the same size, and the ratio is correct for Facebook. It's 150 small, so it might be ignored by Facebook. Okay, so let's go back here, change that to JPEG. Okay, brilliant. It's not online yet, but the local image is found correctly. It's a little small, 150 high, but yeah, it's correct. Okay, let's move on to the big picture, which is 600 by 600. 600 x 600. Now change that to PNG, which I shouldn't have online. There we go. So online is 600a, and the local image, careful, it's been resized down to 145 by 145. So in actual fact, it's here, but it's not the same size. So when it actually goes across the internet, it's not going to be what we think it is. Okay. So let's just go across to our web page, as in Safari, and let's just inspect that item. And you'll see it is a Dockhand image to 600a, and it is marked at an alternate width of 145. Okay, continuing on, looking at the 600 by 600 picture that was created from an original 600 by 600 image, PNG, you'll see that now Adobe MUSE has changed it to 145 by 145. It's kept the PNG extension, but it is 145 pixels square. Let's just check this. Let's go to Safari where my preview page is, right click, save the image as, we're going to drop it into my, already downloaded it once, area. And here we go. This is the Dockhand image 600a. Now it's a 145 by 145, low quality. So Adobe MUSE did something good. It reduced the image quality because we didn't need it large, so it resampled it down to 145 from 600, which is great. But if we wanted to use it as a featured image through to Facebook, it's not so great. Okay, moving on to the next one. How do you get around that? That was going to be your question. Well, in this case, we'll just place the picture into the file upload area, grab our 600 by 600a picture, open it, and now it's listed here in the upload area, not on the home page. And then we can go into Facebook, preview widget, change here to be from the images area, drop it into the assets area. Wait a second, and preview page in browser. Go back into here. Click. Just type a G in the end of that. And there we go. Image local 600, 600 large. And when it's uploaded, it will be the correct size. Okay. Let's go along now to our truck in sand. Our truck in sand is back to our images area. And let's just type in the file name. Truck, curly bracket, in sand, curly bracket a.png. And surprisingly, it's not going to allow the curly brackets. But down here on the left hand side it says try file name truck minus in sand minus a.png. So we're going to change that and we're going to try truck minus sign in sand minus sign a.png. Okay, there we go. It's giving you the right name to use. There's the picture ready for you to use. Just using the correct naming and you're fine. Just remember, if you do update picture, replace picture and other items within Adobe MUSE, the preview widget is not synchronized. Big problem? Yes. But this is why we do have the online image system on the side of it. So let's go ahead and upload this and publish it, and I'll show you the neat bit on the other side. Okay, it's now uploaded to our Business Catalyst site. There we go. It's fine. Uploaded it. Now, click on here. Now if we refresh our widget, which we can just go to the menu view. And there we go. Now we've got a nice preview of our online picture and it's saying it's fine, it's the right side and the right location. So that'll sit there now. So you know you've done your Facebook preview for this page perfectly, and if you change information, it's going to show up. Okay, thank you very much.